Hello, welcome to the tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to build this little ball with reflections in it. Kind of cool, huh? Let's get started. Start a new document. I'm going to make it 600 by 800, so it's a little longer from top to bottom. Click OK. Okay. Now I'm going to push F once, F twice. That way we can move this freely. Double click here, make that a layer. Let's change our default colors to change it to the default colors. Now I'm gonna push, since black is right there, the foreground color, we can do a little shortcut push. Option delete. Oh, look at that. Little shortcuts here and there to teach you, stuff. So let's grab this elliptical marquee. I'm going to drag this out. We can hold the Option and Shift button. And if you want to move it side to side or up and down, whatever, hold the space bar. Look at that. Alright, so we want to make it big enough so we can still have a reflection on the bottom and put a logo on top. So this looks good. Right about there. Alright. Alright, so create a new layer and fill that with a red color or whatever color you want. I think the red looks kind of cool, so I'm going to go right here. A little darker too, because we're going to brighten it up with highlights. So this looks good. Push OK. Alright, now we can do that same little shortcut trick. Option delete. Booyah. Alright, now Command D to deselect that. But actually, we can still use that. What am I doing? So Command Z will bring it back. Let's build another layer on top of this one and fill that one with red, a brighter red though. Okay, a little brighter. Ah, there we go. Push OK. What's that keyboard shortcut? That's right, Option Delete. Right on top of there. And let's do another one. Let's make it white. So we'll go here. We'll push X, flip it, Option Delete. Booyah. Now we can Command D, deselect. Let's go through here and name these because we don't want to get confused. So let's name this background ball, whatever. Up here. Well, this could be the inner glow, so we'll just make it glow. This is going to be a glare, so we'll name it glare. Not clear, glare. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we got this going on. Why don't we make that disappear? Work on this glow for a second. Command T, take you to the transform tool. Now, grab a corner and hold the Option key. This will constrain it to the center. We're going to squish it down to look kind of like a Tootsie Roll. Maybe it's the center of the Tootsie Roll. Who knows? But then that looks good. So we'll push Enter. So we'll push. Oh, okay. Now let's go to the filter. Actually, let's move it down real quick. V for your selection tool. Move it down right about there. And then make it blur. Gaussian blur. Okay, so this looks good right here. About 9.1, I guess. Alright, okay. Now let's go back up to here and make sure that layer is selected and Command T for your transform. Do the same thing you did, holding the Option key. But what we want to do is kind of scoot this up. Hold the Shift key when you're scooting it. We want to kind of match it to the circular part. Let's blow that up a little bit. So you can see this. See how it's kind of matching the circle part right there? And you want to bring it down, probably not that much, but maybe a third of the way. That looks good, whatever that is. Alright, now we want to add a layer mask. Go into the gradient tool. Make sure it's on black and white. Okay. Alright, now let's bring this up a little bit. Start from the bottom of this glare. Hold shift, drag it up. Oh yeah. Easy money. This layer is going to look the best as 76, of course. Now let's go down. Something's missing. If you see right here, see this little dark spot? Let's go back up in here and add a little bit of inner shadow. So let's do this. Inner shadow. And take a dialog box and move it so you can see the dang thing. Alright, we want it at the bottom, the angle at the bottom, so it's going to be negative 90. Distance, bring it up a little bit. Size, bring it up a little bit. Choke, bring it up a little bit. Not that much. Alright, now we want to bring our distance a little bit further. And just to about the edge of this little inner glow. That looks good. Alright, okay. Now we want to organize this, so we're going to click this little folder button and drag all these components into a group.